Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipops out of pipe cleaners. First, gather your materials. You'll need several colorful pipe cleaners, a pair of scissors, and a hot glue gun with glue sticks. Make sure your workspace is clean and flat, which will make the crafting process much smoother. Having everything ready before you start helps keep your creative flow going without interruptions. Now, let's create the lollipop swirl. Take one pipe cleaner and begin coiling it tightly from one end, forming a flat spiral. Keep the coils close together to create a solid, round shape. Once you reach the end, use a tiny dab of hot glue to secure the tip, ensuring your lollipop top stays perfectly intact. This step is crucial for a neat finish. Next, we'll add the stick. Grab another pipe cleaner and cut it to about a 3-inch length. This will be your lollipop stick. Apply a small dot of hot glue to one end of this shorter piece. Carefully press the glued end onto the back, center of your coiled pipe cleaner top. Hold it in place for a few seconds until the glue sets, creating a sturdy and realistic lollipop. Your pipe cleaner lollipops are now complete. You can make a whole bouquet of them in various colors for a cheerful decoration, or use them as adorable party favors. They also make fantastic, unique toppers for gifts, adding a handmade touch. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals and crafting supplies. Enjoy your sweet creations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.